I'm Kyle Bachus. On April 28th of 2020, my mom was killed as a result of someone else's negligence. It's completely changed my life and the way I practice law. If you too have felt the pain of losing a loved one and you don't know where to turn, let me be your guide on what to do next when the unthinkable happens. So in my book, one of the things that I talk about is the importance after a catastrophic injury or a death occurs, the importance of establishing a relationship with the police department and with the prosecutors who are going to be involved in the case. We've heard about lawyers telling clients, don't talk to the police, right? You have a right to remain silent. Don't talk to the police. But here we're talking about a situation where I'm suggesting that it's important to establish a relationship with the police, which may be counterintuitive to what you've heard in the past, where you've heard of lawyers saying, don't talk to the police. I want to explain what the difference is. There's a very important distinction. In this setting, the setting I'm talking about, one of your loved ones has been critically injured or killed by someone else. You are not being charged with a crime. You are not being investigated for a crime. You are a victim, okay? And as a victim, what my suggestion is that it's important to make sure that you are communicating actively with the police, because whether you like it or not, it's the police that are investigating the crime, not a crime that involves you as a potential perpetrator, but involving you as a victim. And that's a very different place to be, right? So obviously, if you're being accused of a crime, that's where you hear about the right to remain silent, the importance of having a lawyer present, the importance of not communicating with the police, right? That's what you hear, and you probably heard your whole life about what lawyers' recommendations are. This is a completely different setting. Here you're the victim. Only the police are going to be investigating the crime, where you or your family member is a victim of that crime. So they're going to be doing it whether they have a relationship with you or not. It's important to establish the relationship so that you're not just a number or a case file to the police, that you are a family. You are a family of real people.